Hey everyone, I really need your help. So, the reality is that I haven't had very good luck with this aquarium yet, but I'm determined to make things work. So, a couple weeks ago, or a month, I should say, I got those super beautiful antlers and I tried to make everything work. I treated them for parasites. One of them passed. The other one actually had miraculous recovery. The water parameters of the water are absolutely great right now. So the only one thing that I can think is parasites. Um, if you have any suggestions on what's happening in my tank, please comment below. So this is the sick fishy, and it's kind of shivering back and forth. Um, I used this medicine to treat it, and it worked with the first one. I mean, any help, any suggestions, anything. I like them so much. I don't want to have to like see them go. I don't want to replace them with other fish. I want to make it work. So tell me what to do. I asked the big fishes out there on YouTube, but nobody responded. So I'm asking my community. Comment below, please.